Gates open, they're up and racing. Brother Barak draws for your lead, moving up on the outside. Toris Best, Consolidator in between runners comes Shining Armor, moving up by the rail is Scotland Yard. Right here, right now, followed by Well. Pass approaching on the outside. Crystal's Beauty, there was a spill. Jeff Sarate, left unseated on Scotland Yard. And yes, Pogi, the favorite, is running at the tail of the field. We have two runners are fighting it out for the lead, running by the rail. Brother Barak, Shining Armor is on the outside, almost as one this time. Running in third, Crystal's Beauty. Well. Toris Best down in fifth. Running in sixth is right here, right now, Consolidator. And yes, Pogi now coming in closer, heading towards the last 600. Brother Barak by 3/4 of a length lead. Running on the outside is Shining Armor. Closing in third is Well. Moving up on the outside right here, right now, Toris Best. Crystal's Beauty. Then here comes the Lone Gray Galloper. And this one is yes, Pogi. Now pass approaching on the outside as they turn for home. This one, Brother Barak, is still leading the field. Well, is on the outside. Closing in on the outside is yes, Pogi. We have well, yes, Pogi. Moving up on the outside to grab the lead and bagging the 2010 Pilracom First Leg Triple Crown. Second, well, Brother Barak, right here, right now, and Toris Best for your Pentapecta.
That